How's it going, everyone? This is Cole back with you from Kelowna Chevrolet. I'm currently in a 2018 Mazda CX-5 GT all-wheel drive. Let's go show you around. Starting up front, you do have that reliable 2.5 liter. That'll be getting you between 8 and 10 liters per 100 kilometers. Coming around to the side here, you have these real nice alloy wheels. These guys are 19-inch. Got the black side moldings, color matching mirrors and door handles. Got the tinted rear windows. Coming around back here, really digging the look of the tail lights. Got the power liftgate, dual exhaust. You also have a second set of tires. Those are the winters. And to close the power tailgate, just hit that button there and it closes like so. Coming around the other side here, very nice color, very sporty looking SUV. And we're inside this 2018 CX-5. We'll start at the steering wheel controls. We have our audio and hands-free. We have our cruise control. This controls the distance to the car in front of you. If we hit the info up on the dash here, pay attention to the right. It changes depending on what information you want to see. It is reading 23,602 kilometers. To the left hand, you have your power liftgate, TCS, and your lane. Your window and mirror controls. Pop over, this is your infotainment screen. Down here, you got your heated steering wheel, heated front seats. You have your dual zone climate control, storage bin, gear select. And this is to control your infotainment. Got your park brake. So you can see it there, just twisting the knob. And you have your two-tiered center console with a couple USB inputs. And you have these real nice leather seats with the brown stitching. And coming up top here, you have a sunroof. There are the controls for the sunroof, and you also have your universal garage door opener. And coming into the back here, I'll just show you the door panels. You got the nice wood grain finish there, and lots of leg room. You got your cup holders in the middle here, along with your heated seats, and you also have a little place to put any electrical devices with a couple charging inputs there. And to pull down the back seats, there's just a little knob right here. Flip them back up, they click back into place like so. If you guys have any questions on this 2018 CX-5, feel free to reach out to us at 250-860-6000, or you can drop by our dealership on the corner of Lucky and Highway 97. We are open Monday to Saturday, 9 to 6. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.